Hey YouTube, this is my bike. It was originally a Wethepeople arcade, but I changed all the bits. So I'd say it's custom. I'm getting new parts for Christmas and that, frame, forks, cranks and that. But I thought I'd put up a quick bike check. So we'll start from the front. Salt forks, yeah, they are bent. Don't know how I did that, but you know. Wethepeople odd bars. Pretty big bars, I think they're like 9.5 rise. Odyssey, Aaron Ross keyboard. Odyssey monoliver, medium, red. I thought it was pretty cool, red. Exposure high wire, white. I like white. Front on the tan wall, fit bike, Kofaf. It's pretty nice. I think it's a 20 times 2.25, so it's pretty big. And then I got a front Vandera 2 hub laced onto hazard light in white. If you see it, it's a female axle. Front's pretty smooth. Then you run onto the stem. It's an Odyssey classic front load. It's a good stem, as long as you get quite thick bars so they don't slip. On a normal Odyssey, Salt threadless headset. Wethepeople arcade seat. I'm going to change that. I'm going to put an E-Cut Gonzo on it. But yeah, Odyssey, Mr. Clampy seat clamp. Wethepeople seat post. Odyssey PC twisted in white. I've had these for a donkey's years. Pretty good pedals. Can't really go wrong with plastic pedals. Odyssey 48 spleen cranks. They're alright, they get the job done. Exposure half link, that's okay as well. I'm going to get a Shadow Conspiracy soon, so Wethepeople Supreme 25-2 sprocket, it's good. Normal Salt AM brake at the back. Then we come to the back, we have a Odyssey V3. Obviously matching the front, as you can see, there's an Odyssey there, but I only got the wheel set that's a week ago. They run really well, nice noise as well. I already have a hub check, so you know, check that out. Fit bike at the back, a little bit smaller, don't know what it is, I think it's a, it's on there, 20 times 1.95, so a little bit smaller. But yeah, that's my bike. Cheers.